It's not possible to trade successfully unless you really dig into the trading tools. And while this statement might sound pretty extreme, it's crucial to understand what sets a professional apart from someone earning peanuts. Pros are all about leveling up their knowledge, being more precise, and most importantly, putting what they know effectively into practice. So I recommend everyone watch this video to the end, because today we're going to dive deep into how the MACD indicator works, and I'll show you it in action. Welcome to my channel, folks. I'm Simon, a trader with 7 years of experience with an 88.7% win rate. First off, I'll set up the platform for trading. The trade lasts 1 minute. Investment amount is $20. Candle time frame 30 seconds. We'll take 4 currency pairs. And our star player, the MACD indicator. Why do we use indicators? Essentially, they help us spot significant price changes and the dominance of buyers or sellers in the market. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is super popular for identifying trend strength and providing various trading signals. It's simple. We've got green and red lines plus a histogram, bars of different colors. The green is the main line and the red is the signal line. When the green line crosses the red from below, it indicates a bullish trend. At this moment, you should buy. If, on the contrary, the red crosses the green from below, it means we've caught a downtrend and it's time to sell. When the lines intersect, it means that the trend is about to change. If it was bearish, it becomes bullish, and vice versa. It's all very simple. However, even the MACD has its pitfalls, which I delve into on my Telegram channel. So for those who are really interested in getting the hang of all the trading nuances, hit the link in the description, subscribe and read. And as a bonus for my 20,000 strong community, I offer free public live sessions posting my trades in real time for anyone interested. Find the link below. But it's time to put what we know to the test. Let's move on to trading. Canadian yen. The MACD signal line is still hanging above the main, and even though the histogram hints that the trend's power is fading and might flip soon, on a minute time frame it's not likely to shift. We go lower. Neatly, sharply and stylishly, I pocket an honest $38. Moving on. Aussie and Kiwi are hitting the resistance level with strong surges again. The main and signal lines are intertwining and I'm anticipating a bounce. Going lower. Looking back at past line crossovers, they perfectly match up with the upwards and downward movements. Meanwhile, my accurate chart interpretation boosts my deposit, $73, keeping it rolling. Aussie franc. With the main line below the signal, it makes sense to expect more downward movements. Though I see intense impulses on the chart signaling market volatility and risks, but still lower. And that's a rollback. That sometimes happens in trading, especially with high volatility, but the key point, a rollback is not a loss, so keep smiling and push forward. Aussie Canadian. Here the price is reluctantly dropping and the main line looks set to cross the signal, so I'm going higher. You gotta admit, the benefit of knowing how the indicator works is pretty clear now, right? And showing it all in action makes it sink in so much more. Want more insights like this? For those who want to become a successful trader, head over to my Telegram. You didn't forget where to find the link, did you? Yeah, it's in the description and the pinned comment. I've got $140 in the account now. Keep watching. Canadian and yen are back with me. The price should head up according to MACD indicators, so I'm investing for an increase. Wow, another rollback. The market is insanely volatile today, but no worries. The main thing is we see how effectively I can use the indicator, even in such interesting conditions. On the Aussie Kiwi, the bulls are actively resisting the price drop, and the main line is looking to jump over the signal line. That means the price will rise, press higher. Very good. Moving on. Aussie franc. The chart shows a clear trend reversal upwards, the main line dominates. I confidently go in for an increase. Following the last green candle, my earnings soared to $516. And here's the Aussie Canadian in a tricky spot. The pair again cannot break through crucial resistance level, and the indicator lines are in an interesting mix, so we're going lower. And just like that, I've reached $991. The Canadian and yen are making some unsure moves upwards. I'm guessing there's still a bounce down coming our way on a minute time frame. Time to go lower. Yeah, my bank is at $1,903. Pretty good, but let's wrap up this session on a high note. Aussie Kiwi. Looks like the upward movement is done. The MACD main is getting closer to the signal again, and the histogram bars are shrinking. I go lower. This indicator is mind-blowing. Awesome! With this indicator, even super volatile market don't scare me. Today I made $2,823 from just 20 bucks. If any of you can throw me some options where you can make more than I did for the same time, man, I absolutely love trading and using the most effective indicators. Want to grow with me and get top-notch trading insights? Then I'm waiting for you on my Telegram. Hit the link below and welcome aboard. That's it for now. Catch you later.